Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to automate search steps with Zapier. This is incredibly useful when you want to automatically look up information in your Google Sheets based on form responses, saving you tons of manual work and making your workflow much more efficient. First, head over to your Zapier dashboard. Here you can either edit an existing Zap or create a brand new one depending on your needs. Once you're in, click on the trigger step to begin setting up your automation. Now navigate to the Setup tab. From here, select Google Forms under the App section, and then choose New Form Response as your trigger event. This tells Zapier to start the automation whenever someone submits a new response to your Google form. If you're prompted to sign into your Google account, go ahead and do that, then click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be on the Configure tab. Click on the Form field, and you'll see a list of all your available forms. Select the specific form you want to use for this automation, then click Continue to proceed to the next stage. On the Test tab, Zapier will pull in recent form responses. Select the record you want to use for testing purposes. This helps ensure everything is working correctly before you turn the automation live. Once you've made your selection, click Continue with Selected Record. Now it's time to set up the action step. Select Google Sheets as your action app. This is where Zapier will search for information based on the form response. Then, choose Lookup Spreadsheet Row as the action event. You might be prompted again to sign into your Google account, so go ahead and do that, then click Continue. On the Configure tab, start by clicking the drive you want to use, for example, Google Drive. Then click the Spreadsheet field and select the specific spreadsheet where your data lives. After that, click the Worksheet field and choose the exact sheet tab you want to search within. Next, click the Lookup Column field. This is where you specify which column Zapier should search in, for example, name. Then click the Lookup Value field and type in the search item you want to find. This could be a value from your form response. Once that's set, click Continue. Now click Test Step to see if everything works as expected. Zapier will perform the search and show you the row that matches your search criteria. This confirms that your automation is functioning properly and can reliably find the information you need. And there you have it. You've successfully automated a search process that pulls data from Google Sheets based on form responses. You can expand this further by connecting it to other apps like Slack to send notifications with the search results. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.